Hi, I'm Mary Perdomo. Today we are at my newest listings in Hollywood Hills. Our kitchen is furnished with high-end appliances manufactured by Viking. The countertops are PORCELANOSA, designed in Spain. We have this beautiful chandelier in the middle of the kitchen, and it just makes it really beautiful. This property is approximately 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It's newly constructed. Some of my favorite parts of this house is the openness, how you can entertain, the beautiful gourmet kitchen. The floors are amazing. They're birch wood throughout. And if you see the floors in the bathrooms, they're amazing. They're porcelain. They look like fabric. We're here at the balcony hanging out, and I hope that you enjoy touring this beautiful property. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for watching.